Hi, welcome back to my channel Nest Bags and Cooks. Today I've come up again with another recipe that is how to make a very tasty steamed chicken. So to know the recipe, I would like to request you to please watch my video till the end patiently. So let's get started. Here I have 1.5 kgs of chicken which I've already washed from before. Now let's prepare the water also where we are going to soak the chicken. Here I have 2 liters of water. Into this I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Now I add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. I'll give a mix. Now before soaking the chicken into this water, I'm going to give some cuts to the chicken. If we give cuts like that, the chicken will get nicely marinated. So you can see, in this way I have given the cuts. Now I'm going to put it into the water. I'm going to soak this for around 45 minutes. The internal organs. I'm going to cover it and keep it aside. So after 45 minutes, this is how the chicken looks. It's no more red, isn't it? The chicken looks white in color, isn't it? So this is the color that we want. I'm going to pat dry the moisture from the chicken with the help of a kitchen towel. Now let's prepare the spices mixture. I've taken half cup of curd, beaten curd. Now I add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of bay leaf powder, half teaspoon of fennel seed powder. Here I add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. I'm going to mix it thoroughly. Now I add half teaspoon of salt. Salt you can add as per your taste. Now I add 1 teaspoon of coriander leaves paste. I'm going to coat the whole chicken with the paste. I have also added around 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder into this paste, which I forgot to show you. I'm going to coat each and every corner of the chicken. Now I'm going to turn the chicken and coat the other side also. So you can see they're nicely coated. Now I stuff the internal organs inside the chicken. And drop some paste inside the chicken. I'm going to stuff the liver, the heart inside it. The leftover paste. It's done now. Here I have taken one mold. I'm going to put the chicken into this mold. Let's put the paste. It's ready. Here I've taken a shallow pan. I place a stand. I add around 1 liter of water and I place the mold on top of that because we are going to steam the chicken. Let's place it on the stove, but before that I'm going to drizzle around 1 tablespoon of oil. So now let's place it on the stove. I'm going to steam this chicken for around an hour. Let's cover it with a lid. After 1 hour, I'll show you how our chicken has turned out to be. Look at this. So juicy and it looks so tasty, isn't it? I have steamed exactly for 1 hour. Let's pour some soup on top of this. I have garnished the chicken with some chopped spring onion, and on the sides I have steamed carrot and broccolis. You can use any vegetables of your choice. Do try this recipe. It's very simple to make and it's very juicy, tender and very tasty. So if you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and yes, please do comment also. I really love going through your beautiful comments. And yes, please don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end patiently.